everyone could rebuild their faith and comfort and ease, we would have a world to worship every day of our lives, like how we discern, that we would like to have worship get big for this side of the earth as everyday life goes. Like how much we worship, couldn't it be normal to just worship and like everyone take notice from everyone that worships? We should greatly see that. We should all be great worship heroes in our own rights. Wouldn't it ever be so fond if everyone could worship to the highest regards of our mind's eye content? We should go at it like every day that we go big. Every day in worship, we should seem like the life of ease is coming around for us all. How much we splendor in the highest regards of our mind's eye. Graciously can we be thankful forever. There's no reason to go about being unnoticeable at any day of the year. We just know we should just get big as we get every day for crew cut guys and guys with wives and good guys with style and good girls with men-like hair. We just know can we worship the darkness of all beauties? We just know can we worship the good biometrics of them all? Can we worship the good tidings of them all to the utmost? And can we socially see a world full of worship, because it's the most famous thing in the world, to ever come along, how we splendor in the highest regards of our mind's eye content. Should we take notice and heed that it'll go on forever and after, because we love to live in ease, we just know without a heart problem and undo the problems and disarm the landmines. We just know whatever hit us and whatever is gonna hit us, whatever ever has hit us, can be disarmed and dismantled and good erasmus. We just know can they do a good job at all our theories in life, worship our science of thought travel and the permanent vacations that we ensure. Shouldn't we worship permanently vacationing to the world and escape and thought travel to anywhere we want to be and around people we want to see in apartments that want to get big and using our AI to thought travel, near time travel, but in the now moment. In the moment of now, can we travel to other places in the world with the simulation? Can we worship up the travel to other places we worship? And shouldn't it be good and grand epic to escape from the one place in reality for the simulation, make it to all places with the simulation?